New tool day, always a good day in any workshop. Recently saw that Tool Station had got some Triton gear back in stock, so managed to get my hands on one of these combination spindle and belt sanders. Been after one for a long time, not been able to get one because no one's had one. Yay Brexit, etc. So let's get the box open and see what we've got. Gubbins. Right. Instruction manual. Oh, yes. Awesome sauce. Okay. So that's the belt. Wrenches and washers. Bobbins. Comes with 5 size bobbins as far as I'm aware, so I'm guessing one of them is already loaded in with the belt. Insert rings for the bobbins. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 5 sanding sleeves. And there it is. Awesome. Right. That's how it comes in the box. I was a bit concerned because it looks like the courier knocked a couple of holes in the side so they could pick it up. Extraction adapter, marvellous. Let's get you out of the way. Metal. Right, the bed is metal, which I wasn't. I thought it was plastic, so that's a pleasant surprise. So that's the NVR switch on off. Table can tilt down to 45 degrees, so very useful. Insert plate for when you change it from belt to bobbin. And we have a UK plug, which is a useful thing, because I did order a bench tool once that came with a European plug, which was a bit of a surprise. So that's everything out of the box. All the little bits of gubbins removed from the packaging. And one thing I like about the Triton stuff is that they're supremely functional and everything has its place, so you don't lose anything. So we've got the wrench and insert rings for when you're using it as a bobbin sander, dust extraction with a 100mm adapter. You can just go straight in with a normal vacuum end, but that is very useful because I can get the big one on that. Storage space for each sleeve, switch. These washers are mounted on top of these drums and they stop the sleeves from sliding up the bobbin when it's in motion. And there's the nut for holding the washer on the bobbin. and that's the insert plate for when you change it from belt to bobbin sander. So overall, very pleased. It's arrived in perfect condition, nothing missing, and I've just had to fettle it a little bit to sort the tracking out on the belt, but that was only a couple of minutes just to get it in the right spot. And this guide or stop for when you're sanding, that easily removed by undoing this nut, and then it tucks itself away in that slot there. So yeah, very happy. So I've got it in place where I'll be using it, and I found a little offcut. I think it's Sapili. It's got some shape, curve and shape to it already, so I can have a play with how it works. Well, what a machine. I like it a lot. Lots and lots. So I've just had to go around the edges on this little offcut, and yeah, it was very rough sawn from the bandsaw, but it's brought it up quite nice. Bit of practice needed just for angles, pressure, etc. But yeah, if you're looking for a bench sanding machine, you won't go far wrong with this one. So thanks for watching, and take care, stay safe, and see you soon. Cheers.